Alright, so for this week, this was a pretty normal week, I guess. Just going over uniform motion and vectors, getting all that done. Started a little bit on the Chapter 6 Motion Lab, but I had some issues with my computer died on me. So I kind of started on that this week a little bit too. But anyway, yeah, did Chapter 4, Chapter 5, just our discussion, getting the team together, and just the normal resources and weekly summary. The uniform motion and the vectors I've done before, but it's been a while. It's been at least 3 or 4 years since I've really even touched anything like that. So it was good. It was, yeah, I knew it, I understood when I was reading it, but I was definitely rusty on it. I hadn't done it for a long time. So it was good. It was actually cool to reread the chapters and stuff. Like I had the pictures of the notebook I did, like with Chapter 4, some of the homework, just with the vectors, which way it's going, what's its velocity, direction, stuff like that. With Chapter 5, just with the motion, just if it's here, it's moving here. And then the uniform motion. So after this time, where's it gonna be in each thing? So after this many seconds, so after 2 seconds, after 2.5, after 0.3, after 0.35, after 0.4, after 0.45, and so it just shows the position it's in, the position it started at, plus its velocity, plus the time. So it's just like a line, basically, a slope, basically. What you're finding. That's wrong. That's the wrong example. Anyway, yeah, it's just like a y, basically, like a y equals mx plus b equation, which is cool. I like that it was not super complicated. Let's see. As far as stuff in here goes, with the thing, I guess I just did Chapter 4, Chapter 5, a little bit Chapter 6. And hopefully we can get that done maybe this afternoon. Now as far as this goes, something that in here, the 4-dimensional thinking thing, that was really cool. I think that was really cool. What got said, the original article was cool just because I've never thought about some of the things that way, and it's cool to see, like, hey, we shouldn't be arguing about this from a college professor, because it's just like, oh, they're two different things. They're going to obviously arrive at two different conclusions because they're two completely different dimensions. It was really cool. It was really cool, and because of that, because I'm taking a lot of science classes and going to the medical field, and like I posted on my thing, like I come from a very religious background. So like those never really mesh, but it was kind of cool to think about it in a way that they could mesh, and it wouldn't be that big of a deal. So anyway, I thought that was really cool. Now I read through the other articles, and I didn't really want to get in like a huge religious debate and stuff on the thing, but it looked like it was pretty controversial, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but it was fun. It was fun to read through what everybody posted about this and how everybody felt about it. At least I found it entertaining. Like I said, got our team name set up right here. I want to get working on really getting together, getting Skype and stuff like that set up, and like Skyping with them, make sure I know how that works, and then I think there's the team Prezi, I think, right here. Yeah. So where's it at? Yeah. So I want to really get a hold of them today. Like, hey, this week, let's get on that. So yeah, I think, and like I said, I downloaded Skype. It's the first thing I've ever done. So yeah, it's I don't totally know how it works, but at the same time, I downloaded it, signed in, got everything set up. It makes sense to me. So yeah, I got that set up. I think that's basically it. Just getting there's my weekly summary that I typed up. I have to put the link in there and post that. Did the neat resource. As far as the neat resource goes, I I feel like I just posted almost the exact same thing I posted last week. But it's cool to see how, because like I did the VPython thing, and it's really cool some of the stuff people can make with VPython, and just different things people can do with it. And my neat resource wasn't technically like here's a website to help you learn, but it was like, hey, this is kind of a cool thing. It combines uniform motion like we're doing, but it's using something that we're also using. So it's just showing like how you can use different things with VPython. I think that's really cool. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for this week. This was a incredibly busy week as far as just life is concerned outside of school. And so I got everything done, got it done on time and everything, and I understand it. But at the same time, I'm really hoping that this next week I can really jump back in and get everything done, and hopefully even get ahead. I'd like to really be ahead in my classes. So hopefully be able to get ahead and really start understanding material and enjoying it, because the stuff we do in here is really cool. So I'd love to just kind of get deeper inside here. Yeah, that's pretty much it.